Okay, Devin, I've set up your shot. We're at the second diamond, frozen to the cushion with the yellow. And I'm going to go ahead and hit center ball on the cue ball as you've asked. I will say this, in order to cut this ball back into this corner, this cue ball will run towards that corner. So we've got to be careful of the scratch. I think the shot itself is not an issue. We're not going to double kiss by any means, but we've got to watch for the scratch. Let's go ahead and shoot it center ball, see what happens. And a little bit short, I probably hit it a little bit too much speed. If I'd hit that a little lighter, it would have been more in the center of the pocket. The harder you hit it, it shortens this angle up a little bit. So, knowing that that almost scratched though, like I mentioned, let's go ahead and try this with some inside spin. Makes the shot a little more difficult, I think. So I have to adjust for that. I've got to kind of overcut it some more. Let's give it a try. But it stops it from scratching. So just to let you know, if you're in a game and you try to shoot this shot with just center ball, be aware if it's at the second diamond, you could scratch. Hope that helps.